people were on pins and needles when they entered the building, and they were like, uh-oh, what's going to happen? How many shoes are going to drop today?
They came close to that cliff, but somehow managed to pull back.
As it turned out, it was much more subdued and under control than people would have thought would have happened. And the market's been basically sort of trading in a range of minus 250, minus 400, 450. And that's a welcome relief compared to what we could have had.
As corporate losses continue to pour in around the globe Thursday, Asian and European stocks recorded between 8 to 10% drops. Investors were sure Wall Street would be next, especially after trading halted in the futures markets. Many forecasted the worst.
There are limits on the futures as well as limits on actual trading. They're called circuit breakers, mainly to, in a sense, stop investors from becoming their own worst enemy by engaging in a cascading panic.
Circuit breakers, middle of trading, that stop trading, instill fear. What they're supposed to do is let people, digest what's happened, take a deep breath, but the reality of it is, it creates panic.
Luckily, that didn't happen, but markets still dropped to their lowest level since 2003, with the Dow down 312 points at 8,306. The S&P 500 fell 31 points at 876, while the Nasdaq closed down 51 points at 1,552.
Global investors are very, very nervous, and they really don't want to have long positions over the weekend. They don't want to have exposure to stock over an extended period of time in which additional news could cause the prices to fall further.
All the pundits have said that the market is going to be very volatile for a while, and nobody really knows how long the recession is going to be.
It's very scary, just like anybody else. It's a frightening time. What's going to happen? When I turn on your station later today, are they going to be telling me something completely different? Have we fallen another couple hundred points? Have we gone up? It's like this roller coaster ride. What do we do?
It's a good question that even the pundits can't completely answer. Although the overseas markets recorded some disastrous losses, the U.S. markets were able to fare better, showing some resiliency for now. In New York, Bonnie Ghosh, The Associated Press.